Hi, I'm Keeting. Today I work as a coordinator for the Woodland Volunteer Days at Gwrych Trust, restoring woodland paths across 250 acres of the old estate. My interest started as a teenager exploring the woodlands. I'd come across ruins of stone staircases, mostly hidden under years of vegetation, dry stone walls in the middle of nowhere, and I'd follow footpaths that were stopped abruptly by huge bushes some 40 foot deep. My curiosity led me to maps from the 1850s which, to my delight, detailed a forgotten network of paths which covered all areas of the Gwrych Castle Wood, some 9 miles in total. With the maps to hand, I had to find the paths, so fighting through dense vegetation that swamped the paths for over 80 years, and with a keen eye over many years I found them. It was then I decided that they needed saving, so back in 2002 I managed to get sponsorship from Gwrych Trust for the liability insurance to secure permission from the Forestry Commission to work in the woodlands. Then I set up a conservation group to clear and restore the paths. Over 4 years, Abergele conservation volunteers worked hard at Blackthorn Covert to clear the paths of brambles, trees, game cover. We also excavated stone staircases, repairing dry stone walls until the paths were restored.